Did you know some abandoned places don't stay silent? What if a building could listen and answer back? Have you heard of a city where time stopped, but sound didn't? This is Pripyat, Chernobyl's ghost city, evacuated in hours, frozen for decades. So why do sounds still live here? Years later, workers came back, engineers, guards, cleanup crews. They were warned about radiation, not something else. On night shifts, guards heard children laughing, soft, playful. No children remain here, so who was laughing? It happened at the same hour, same hallway. Different crews heard it separately, no contact between them. Coincidence or something repeating? Radiation can confuse the brain. Hallucinations happen, but synchronized hallucinations? Same time, same place. Does that make sense? Some workers quit, others refused night duty. Official reports said stress, imagination, fatigue, but unofficial logs say otherwise. The rooms were sealed, files locked away, but recordings still exist, taken before the door was welded shut, and in the background, you can hear laughter. Want to hear the recording? Follow and tell me, should these doors stay sealed?